apparently what we actually thought. And, fucking scared me. I get jump scared by a freaking. Hey guys, it's Nick. Welcome to The White Noise by Taylor Flores. So, we first heard of the rumors some weeks ago. Strange disappearances near an old Pont Northwest friends. Me and my okay. We ended up in a small town near the plot. I stayed in the hotel room, getting the cameras ready. And my pal went out to put some tape recorders in the area. Then it was 2 hours. I'm a little bit worried, so I'm going out to look for him. Wish me luck. This is creepy. Find. Whoa. Creepy. Oh, I'm so slow. I'm not liking this. Oh. I can run. Hello. So this is like a Slender type game. Great. Is this a tape recorder over here? This is a tape recorder. Cool. Yeah, this is Slender, isn't it, basically? You have to find 8 tape recorders. Dude, my heart is pounding so much right now. I get so scared by type of stuff like this. Hi there. My heart just dropped. It's still there. It's probably guarding It's probably guarding a tape recorder. It's probably not a good idea to go over here, but I'm doing it anyways. Oh, my heart dropped. Oh, this is so... Hi there. My heart is so creepy because I'm playing in absolute darkness. This is so freaking creepy. I wish I had my freaking peanut butter pie right now. But where? Oh, there, it's behind the tree. Oh, dude, this isn't fair. This is so freaking creepy. Ooh, this place is pretty. There's a stone path. Ooh, walls. Here, you know what, actually, I'll go near the walls. Can I go through here? This is like a map boundary. This is like a map boundary, damn it. Ah. Oh, you're still there. You with the spoon. Stop. Don't be like right there. Okay, run. Run as slow as you possibly can. He's not behind me anymore. Come on, I've only found like 1 tape recorder. It's not fair. Wait, oh, my flashlight's having a spaz attack. Here, I'll turn off my flashlight so it doesn't have spaz attack so much. Here, I wonder if I like look at him and I like go like, I can find this pretty stew. Oh, there's another tape recorder right here. Thank you. I have 2 of 8 now. No, he doesn't seem too hard to have. Oh, you're not like an odd formation at all. More rivers. Just as simple as that. Let's turn off my flashlight because it's really spazzing out. I don't want the. Oh, okay, that's great. My stone path ends right there. And turn it out again because the brick wall is like a map boundary. Okay. Cool. Ooh. It's a good place for my friend to put a tape recorder. Where? Oh, there he is. I saw him out of the corner of my eye. I don't know if you guys saw him or not. Try him. You know what? That's actually perfectly fine. Special modes. I don't want the full game. Yeah, but anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, I guess. I mean, it wasn't too scary, but I'll just play it again, just so you guys can get, just so I can be a little more spooked. I don't know actually what I'm doing. I just realized that there's a giant hole in my pants. This is great. Now, I won't be doing this too much because there's not a lot of horror games for Xbox 360, but as soon as I get a good working computer and a game and a capture card, I do be expecting more horror stuff. That won't be for quite a long time. It's the creepiest freaking thing that I've ever seen. Tape recorder. I got tape recorders. Tape recorders. Is this like where I was before? Oh, it would suck if this creepy music started playing right now. Stop that. Freaking owls. It's creepier the second time that I play it. Is there anything dead in here? No, not a single thing in there. It's so freaking creepy. Ooh, a road. I wonder, can I just leave this area, go back to my hotel, forget about my friend? Apparently not, because the world is apparently what we actually thought. And, fucking scared me. I get jump scared by a freaking. That's not okay. I freaking jump scared by the freaking thing that was telling me to text. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, do I actually have Titanfall Deluxe Edition? I did not know that. Wow. Cool. I'm not impressed by that game. That scared me just like a tiny bit, so. The only thing that actually did scare me was the freaking. Wow. Good job on my part. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, and, yeah. Don't be expecting too much horror stuff, because there's not a lot of good games out there. I'm playing this at freaking 10 o'clock night, and it's pitch black in my room, and I can't see anything. The only light that I have is my freaking TV. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.